Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your earbuds, HONOR Earbuds X6. You have to start by open Huawei AI Space application. Sorry, not Huawei, just HONOR AI Space application. Now, if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see them at the device list. You need to tap on it, and right here at the right bottom we have user guide. So we need to click on it, and right here we have user manual, but this user manual divided into sections. So we have first section, get it started, and right here we have information, we have basic operation, and we have more settings. So you can find this information here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.